Hi all, welcome to Technology Innovation. In our last session, we have seen how to create a customized document type using the Nuxeo platform LTS 2021. And this was the link, it is available in our channel, you can just go through it. And in this session, we are going to see how to create a drop-down box using the Nuxeo platform. So in my previous session, we have seen a building picture with the following metadatas, right? So we will be creating a new vocabulary, okay? So once you log in into connect.nuxeo.com, you have to go to the modular configuration. There you can see vocabularies. So you just need to click new and create a future ID. So let me give us building type. Okay, what are the building types are there, like apartment, showroom, offices, or anything? So this is like one level, one vocabulary. So I'm just going to choose simple vocabulary. We have multiple options here. One is like a child vocabulary. Another one is like a hierarchical vocabulary. Like it depends on your needs, business needs, right? So when you have these requirement, you can go for the other option. So as of now, we will go with the simple vocabulary. Okay. So let me just click on OK button. Yeah, this vocabulary is just now created. So we can define what is the policy for table creation. I'm just choosing if not existing, then create this. Okay. Or you can choose always. So every time when it gets deployed, this will be created. Never, nothing will happen, right? So similarly, you have what is the studio wins, instance wins, throw an error when you have a duplicate entry. So how it can be controlled, right? So let me just add a row. This is a unique ID reference. So you need to uh, define the IDs and labels. So I'm just going to use apartment, showroom, office, office. Okay, absolute, right? Suppose if you don't require this option to be displayed on the web UI, you can select that, and order you can define here. Otherwise you can ignore it as it is. The zero means it will automatically ordered as per the ascending order, right? But in case if you wanted to maintain and separate format for that, then you can give the numbering for options here. So accordingly that will be displayed. So I'm just going to save this. So this is like we have just defined a structure to the drop down, right? But where exactly we have to define? So I'm just going to use the document type building picture which we created. So you need to click on the schema thing. As you can see, we have the following things. I'm just going to create another field. Let me just give a new name for that. So I'll be calling it as building type. Okay. So here it will be like a directory. You need to select directory and then you need to click on this edit button. You need to choose which directory it has to reflect. So I'm just going to select building type which we have created under the vocabularies. Just go back to your schema. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So something like inner field or something like that. So I'm just going to save it now. So that validation will be gone. So once you do this, this is ready in your modular. You need to configure it on the designer. So just click on this layout thing. Otherwise this option won't be available there. You need to configure in both the places, modular as well as the designer. So let me go to a create form here. So if I open this building picture, you can see there is a new field that is called building type, right? So I will just drag and drop. You can choose where you want to display. I'm just putting it after the property project code. So once this is available, you can see one is there. So I'm just going to remove it from the label section. That's all. So you can save the changes as well as you can do the same changes with edit option also, import, view, metadata, everything. So mostly view won't be required, but if it is required for your business purposes, you can do that. So edit is done, and finally I'm going to add it in the metadata section. That's all. I'm not going to use import as well as the view. So now my changes are done. So let me go back to my browser and click on this developer tools and click on the hot reload. Okay, it was successful developed. So let me refresh the page. I will use to log in. And if I try to click this new content, you can see the document type building picture we have already. And you can see there is a new label called building type. And within that you can see apartment, office and showroom. So similarly, once this document is created, you can see in edit form also. So let me quickly show you title, description. I'm just going to ignore the file name. So I'm just going to choose showroom. So we have given all the details. So let me create it. So this document is created. As you can see, the metadata is also showing the proper data. And also when you try to click on the edit document, you can see the building type is showroom, and you can try to update it from here also. So immediately it will start reflecting on the metadata section, everything. Okay. So that's how you can create, your customized drop down boxes for your document types in the Nuxeo platform. And this is the simple level I have used as I shown in the previous in modular space, where we have seen like multiple vocabularies are there. So you can read all the information, depends on the type of vocabulary is needed, you can create. Okay, fine, that's all. We'll meet in the next video session with some more learnings. Yeah, yeah, thank you, bye bye.